Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2006 Holden Barina stock number 5970. This ran from the 12th 2005 to the 12th 2012. It has a F16 D3 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a F16 D3 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 15-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door 4 dents. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front 15-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door 3 dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Front courtesy light. Factory 4-spoke steering wheel with some wear. Instrument cluster.